Well, I'm not in Texas anymore. We're in Ohio. Today we're at the Columbus Zoo, so we're gonna show you some cool stuff from the Columbus Zoo and of course, some plants because I gotta show you the plants. Got my travel companion with me, Jasmine. Say hi. First order of business though, we just got off the plane, checked into our hotel, and then booked it over here to the zoo, is we gotta eat. So check it out. We grabbed some burgers. Then we're gonna go look at some stuff. The burger is actually pretty good. Oh, you got a mouthful of food. What did you think?
It's really good.
Nice. It's like 83 degrees, so the Ohioans, is that how you say it? They're acting like it's really hot. I think it feels great. But this one, she suckered me into getting her some Dippin' Dots while we're on our way to the first attraction. Well, so far, most of the animals we're seeing are fake. Let's get to some real ones. Flamingos. Oh, they're making mounds. They're making nests over there.
They're gonna lay eggs?
Maybe. They look like they might be sitting on eggs. Well, it was nice seeing you, but see you later. Alligator. Okay, Jasmine didn't laugh at that one. This is what we were looking for. Shores and aquarium. Look at the size of those hostas. Units. That's a big aquarium. Shark. That's a black tip. Oh, here comes another. Oh no, it turned. Come back.
Milo? Taste it again. Your teeth was fake. But
This is the manatee area. They got some pelicans. How do I get to that pelican?
Smells so weird.
It does smell weird in here. Whoa, huge stingray. Thing's massive. Meow, 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 meow. All right, where's the manatee? I'm guessing it's over here. Thing's huge.
There's three.
There are 3 of them? This one's a baby. Lettuce, huh? It's nice that it let us get so close to it.
That's a big one.
Yeah, that one over there is ginormous. Next stop is the Congo. Oh, but look at these really nice daylilies. Got some big yellow ones and some red ones. There's a baby. Oh, don't go away, baby. Got our first buckeye tree sighting. We're in Ohio after all. Just got done blooming. I forget which variety of buckeye this is, but it has these cool white flower spikes. Need to know this guy's lat routine. Where you going?
He is one of the most rewarding.
It's so little.
I
Animatronics need more movement.
Say hi. Hello.
How does that scare me? What? That's Claw. Their eyes and swords.
Wow, there's a huge lake over here. I did not expect that. We're gonna ride on the, what's it called? Dinosaur Island ride. All right, we're in the boat. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you scared?
I don't want to drop it.
It's not gonna drop down. It's gonna be gentle. Let's turn this thing around. Here we go. Into the jungle. Well, eventually. Here we go. Oh, here's the big ones. Spinosaurus and Brachiosaurus. Golly, it's huge.
It's scary. Its fingers, it's tingling.
Ah,
Hmm.
it's gonna get you. It does spit water.
Take your camera down.
What if it sprays you or the camera? It's called Gagasaurus. It's like, Gasosaurus.
Oh no.
Oh. Ah, it's not gonna spit on us. There's the Dilophosaurus.
Carnivore. Will that one eat us? Yeah, it's carnivore. If that was real, it would be eating us right now.
Oh yeah.
What is that? Oh,
Stegosaurus.
Stegosaurus. Stegosauruses have these spiky ones. Oh, it's a herbivore. Will it still attack us though?
It would hit us with its tail.
Is this the end? Oh no, we still have some raptors. I mean spines.
Velociraptor.
Spikes. Ah. Those ones are deadly. Oh, what?
Oh, Parasaurolophus. It's huge.
Oh, no.
What? Is there something coming up?
Looks scary.
Ah, and it's on your side.
Oh,
Carnotaurus.
dang it. The T-Rex.
Ugh.
T-Rex is on your side.
I'll fight him.
I don't think you're gonna win.
Break from the animals to appreciate plants for a moment. Got some beautiful lantana, got some calibrachoa, and beautiful red verbena. Mini petunias. Very nice. Got the giraffe lanterns.
Oh,
And then we got some lavender over here. There's bumblebees on it. Honeybees and bumblebees.
These buildings.
Wildebeest. North America. Oh, there's fish and rats on that platform. Right there where that square is, they've got their food out there. Are you gonna go eat? I don't know what it's waiting for. It keeps acting like it's gonna jump up there and then it doesn't. Oh. Rat or fish? Rat or fish? Rat or fish? What you gonna get? Fish. Fish. Rat. Squirrel. Fish. Definitely fish. Don't be shy. Fish. 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 Yes, yes, yes. Fish. Yes. Yes. What?
Why it take them so long?
Gnarly. Ripping it apart so easy. Done. Here it comes. Here it comes.
Wow!
He's cleaning. That's why it's so dirty in here. Scuba diving.